Right, the next step in the tutorial is to make lots of boxes, and this is going to be fun. But the thing about this is look at the code. The code is quite complicated, and I'm not even going to explain all of this code. The point of this is to illustrate what programming can do for you. So it would take a while for you to understand what all this code is doing, but let's just insert it and you can see how much fun it is and how powerful programs are. So to see the power of programming, we're going to use a for loop. Now, if you have programmed, you know what I'm talking about. But we don't need to know exactly what this code is doing. Let's just put it in. Insert the following code at the top. So just copy all that. And I'm going to put it right up at the top somewhere. Let's put it at the very top. Or actually, it doesn't really matter. Somewhere up near the top will do fine. And what do we do next? Insert the following code inside draw, in replacing all those box and translate instructions that we had. So if I just copy that, I go inside draw and I get rid of these. The other ones are commented out. Paste that in and we're going to see something amazing. Let's just go for it and run it. Yes, very nice. So now we've a whole bunch of boxes all rotating about. They've all got the custom image on them. And one of the first things I suggest people do then is to try and make vast numbers of them, because there's only 30 there. So how about let's make 300. So let's make 300 boxes. And can our browser deal with that? Oh, yeah, no problem at all. So why do we give it 3000? Let's see how it goes. And remember, you can't damage anything in this environment. Everything runs in the browser. You can't hurt your browser. You can't hurt the server. All you can do is give it so much work to do that it gets a bit laggy. So it's a nice environment, it's very safe, and you can try things until the browser starts running slower or too slow to be practical, but you can't really break anything.